Hi, Dr. Kunj here. Today I'm going to be testing myself with this PFAS kit that I got. You know, sometimes in order to be healthy, you have to stab yourself, which sounds like healthy behavior. I'm going to put on these glasses to give you a bird's eye view. First, you log into the Empower DX app and activate your kit. First of all, we're going to start pulling these things out. Here's the package return slip. Here's the kit. It says to remove the supply, but not the testing kit, but not the desiccant. So we're going to do that. Next, I've already activated, and we're going to start pulling out some of the supplies. Choose a finger and lancet type. I'll use the adult lancets. Looks like you have to wipe away the first drop of blood, and then we collect your sample by touching one of the 4 sampling tips to the blood from above. Watch it turn fully red, count 2 seconds, slowly remove. Repeat this process using the other tips. Great. That seems pretty easy. Let's take the alcohol. We're going to do that here. Use my 4th finger. They said you can use either the 3rd or the 4th finger. Alright, so basically we're just going to take this to the 4th finger. I'm going to press it. There we go. Felt the little sting. Alright, so we're going to wipe away the first drop of blood. We did that. Now let's take this sampling device. It sometimes helps to milk the finger, and then yeah, you get more blood that way. Interestingly, this is part of the diagnosis, but also in my video I go over a study that shows that if you give blood, that's also part of the treatment. So this is diagnostic and therapeutic based on a randomized control trial of about 300 firefighters followed over the course of a year. In that video, it turns out that if you give plasma, which you can actually get paid for giving, plasma centers all around you, that's even more effective than donating blood if you want to lower your PFAS levels. We're going to keep going until it fully turns red. The entire tip. We're almost there. The other thing that you don't realize until after you activate it is you have to ship it on the same day that you activate it. So this takes a little bit of time. The other option is just going to a Quest lab where they can test. Nice thing about that is you can just get it while you're getting a bunch of other tests. But I have to say this was pretty fast and easy, and I didn't have to leave the comfort of my home. Fortunately, although we are getting a lot of blood out, it's not really making a mess, and that lancet was fairly painless as well. All in all, I would say that stabbing yourself, not a reason to avoid this test. That was not that bad. So all the tips are bright red. So we're just going to close the sampling device. Just going to apply the name tag, insert this silver specimen bag into this white shipping label, and we're done. Off you go, and we'll find out in a couple weeks whether or not I have PFAS. A couple weeks is a little bit of a long time. Kind of wish it was PFASter.